Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ella if you're new here. Today I'm joined with my lovely boyfriend James and we're going on holiday. So if you haven't already checked out my Get Ready With Me holiday video, I'll link that down below. It just shows you some of the things that I'm bringing on holiday and a few of my favourite items. So we're at Gatwick Airport at the moment, currently waiting for our gates to open, and we're off to Greece. So we'll see you there. Made it to Greece, woo! Hi guys, so we've just landed in Rhodes, we've collected our luggage. The flight was okay, it was delayed for like an hour, which is a bit annoying. And we're on our way to our hotel, so when we arrive, then I'll give you a room tour. Hi guys, so we've just checked in and I got changed really quickly so we can have some dinner. I'll insert a room tour now. So this is what you see when you first walk in. To our left is the bathroom. We've got this really nice huge bath and a nice big mirror I can do my makeup. When you come out of the bathroom we have two very big wardrobes. I've claimed this one to myself. And when we go through the hall, we get into this amazing lounge area. And when we turn to the right, we have this really nice double bed, huge double bed. The view is actually so incredible. It's nighttime now, but I imagine when we wake up, it's gonna be so pretty. We've got a view of the pool and it looks so nice. So yeah, this is our hotel room. I'll insert some pictures of our dinner now. It was really tasty. They have a main buffet and 3 a la carte restaurants, including a Italian, a Chinese, and a Greek. It's currently about 10 o'clock, so I think we're just gonna unpack and get ready for bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 10 o'clock. We've just had some breakfast. I had some pancakes and for the English and it's amazing. This is the fit for today. Just some black shorts and my nice white top with a blue striped bikini underneath. It's a really beautiful day. I'll show you what the weather looks like. So I think today we're just gonna laze around the pool. I'll see you tonight. Hi guys, I thought I'd just update you before I went to dinner. I'm currently doing my makeup. We pretty much just stayed by the beach all day and we're gonna go to our buffet dinner again later this evening. So I thought I'd just bring you along, show you my makeup, and yeah, you can help me decide what outfit to wear. So I think I'm gonna mix 2 foundation shades. I've got my Revolution foundation, which is what I'm using. I've got F4, and then I'm gonna mix it in with a Revolution C10.5, which is a concealer, and it's nice and dark. In the morning, we're gonna do Pilates, which looked so good. Each morning they do different kind of Pilates and meditation. Tomorrow we're also gonna go to a restaurant in the hotel. I think we might go to either an Italian or a Chinese. Both of them look really nice, so I can't wait for that. This hotel is genuinely so good food-wise. Okay, I'm just gonna bronze up a bit. So I'm using the Nip and Fab Travel Palette. I'm using my usual kind of curved Morphe brush. And I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks a little bit. Okay, now using my Barry M Tri-Blend highlighter, a nice golden colour. And then for eyeshadow, I think I'm just gonna use this big Revolution Love Conquers All palette. I'll go in with this golden colour, packing it in to my crease. Ooh, this is nice. That's why I love Revolution so much, because they are so pigmented, I find. And now For my favourite part, mascara, I got the travel size Benefit Bang Gal Bang, my ultimate favourite in GT3. The wand is nice and thin first of all, and it kind of just grips on to all your lashes, so you don't have to work it as hard. Also, it's so good for bottom lashes because, like I say, it does just grip onto them and it makes them nice and black. Okay, so that's the makeup done. This is the finished look. Okay, this is what I'm wearing, my nice flowery skirt, and I've paired it with a cami black top. I'll see you at dinner. Hey guys, we're back from dinner. We absolutely stuffed ourselves. Afterwards we went to the beach and watched the sunset. It was really nice and romantic, and we listened to some musicians play some jazz, had a few cocktails, and yeah, now we're completely knackered, so I think we'll go to bed. Hi guys, we're back from the town. We had a really tasty lunch and we went to visit the old town, which was this absolutely beautiful castle. It's basically where all the shops and markets were, and it was really nice just to learn about the history and culture of Rhodes. So we've come back now. We went to the beach for a bit after and just relaxed. It's about 7:30 and we're gonna have dinner. I think for the rest of the week we're just gonna have a relaxing time and just laze around by the pool. So I won't update you anymore apart from the few pictures and videos. And yeah, that means that I'll see you on Monday when we come home. So this is the outfit for dinner. I got my H&M really cute cropped floral white top, and I'm just pairing it with this new look denim skirt. And for the eyes, I've done a nice goldeny eye. And of course I'm wearing my Forever 21 necklace. So yeah, this is the outfit. So this is the outfit for tonight. I've got a Topshop cheetah print bandeau and a Topshop shorts, the paper bag jeans, and then I've got my platforms. So we've just had dinner and I thought I'd just update you on what we've been up to this week. It's our penultimate day here, which is so sad. We have a massage tomorrow, a couples massage, which will be so nice. Pretty much the whole week we've just been lazing around by the beach. The water's so nice and clear and it's so warm. We went to a really nice Asian a la carte restaurant. Yeah, this hotel's pretty much been incredible. I'd really recommend anyone thinking of going to Greece to go to Rhodes. We've absolutely loved it here. And yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow on how our massage has gone, and then we'll be packing for England again, which is going to be so sad. We've had such an amazing week, so it couldn't have been better. So that's about it. Tonight we're going to watch a Greek performance and I think we'll just go to bed. Guys, so it's our last full day today. We usually go by the beach, but I thought for the last day we'd go by the pool. And then later on at 2 o'clock we have our couple massage. That's pretty much all we're going to do today. We have to pack later on and we'll have our last dinner. So in here we have the sauna. Really nice. To the right, we have a wet room with these huge benches. Over here we have our relaxation room where we can relax. And finally, we have these huge double showers. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day now. We had our dinner and we did the music quiz. Unfortunately, we came last, so we didn't do amazingly. And now we have to start packing, which is such a shame. That's about it for today. I will say goodnight and see you tomorrow when we're at the airport. Bye. Hey guys, so we're at the airport now and we're about to fly back to England, which is such a shame. We've had such a good time here and I'd really recommend anyone who wants to come to Rhodes to definitely come. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. I'd love if you subscribed and gave it a like, and that's all for the vlog, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!